Hello everyone, Jay here. I'm at the beach. We have the MX7. We're set to beach mode, sensitivity of 7. Let's get all the goodies. Since it looks like rain, I have a bowl cover. And yes, the MX7 is weatherproof, but I don't like the feel of wet sand on the controls, and I don't like it on the display either, so bowl cover it is. I'm at the cut. I look over and I see 110 peg, surface find. We have a negative 22. See a little bit of rust sticking out right here. One rusty nail into the pouch. We have a 79 dime. Now it's a 82 quarter signal. Let's get it. Dime to quarter. I'm hoping it's a quarter, but wouldn't be surprised if it's a bottle cap. All right, 1 quarter. It's a good day. Surface find. What is it? Oh, strawberry vape. Never seen one that looked like that. We have a miscellaneous signal, 52 to 57. One inch just under the surface. Shake, shake, shake. All right, what's that, Michelob? Yep, Michelob Ultra. I'll pick up the fishing line. Get that off the beach. Negative 2. Let's get it. Got a small pinpoint, saying it's 5 inches. Maybe it's 5 inches. That is a big old nail. Look at that sucker. Seven-inch nail into the pouch. We have a jumpy pull tab signal. Solid 30. 1 inch. I thought it was the coal at first, then it's only a can bottom. We have a jumpy pull tab signal. Goes from 10 to 70. 2 inches. Is that it? Looks like it. What is it? Something select. Foil cover to a bottle. I don't remember what kind of bottle that is. MG. And I look down as I'm filling the hole, and the cage is there. have a solid 22. You know what that's gonna be? I saw part of it. I was cheating. Cigarette butt and a pull tab. First one of the day. We have a -4. Let's get it. 5.5 inches. Such a small target though. Shake, shake, shake. All right, everyone's favorite chewing gum foil. We have a nickel signal. It goes from 22 to 24. Let's get it. Four inches. Had a weird wobble to it. Shake, shake, shake. All right, second pull tab of the day. Woohoo! We have a nickel 22. Well, it's all over the place. Went from 18 to 26. 4.5 inches. Shake, shake, shake. Sounds good. It looks good. One crusty nickel. Have a foil nickel signal. Solid 14. Well, jumpy 14 to 18. 3.5 inches. It's funny, I was just filming the foam on the coil. There it is. Juice top. Oh, wait, it's a yogurt top. Hug barrel. We have a solid 65 penny. Alright, just under the surface. Alright, no more baby scoops. It said it was an inch. Alright. Now it's calling it 3 inches down, which I'm already past that. Alright, we got a chunk O can slaw. Another can bottom. Jumpy penny signal, but we see it. It's a mini bottle. Dude, another full bottle. Looks sealed. Bonus. Oh, blueberry vodka. We'll rinse it off and check it at the house. We have a jumpy signal. Goes from 50 to 89. get it. Shake, shake, shake. Wow. Was the jumpiest quarter signal ever. I thought for sure it was going to be a bottle cap. We have a solid penny signal, 74. Let's get it. Saying 3-4 inches right here. I thought I saw a dime on its side. Shake, shake, shake. All right, one crusty coin. I think it's a penny. We got a lighter. It comes up as a jumpy 14 to 30. Oh yeah, she works. 06. And yes, I swing over the big rocks. Somebody left or lost their glasses. You can see they're crusty. Take them off the beach. Have a dime signal, solid 76. Five inches. There it is. One penny. We have a quarter signal, 85 to 85. 2 inches. Had a weird little jump to it. Is there 2 of them? Let's see if there's anything in this. Oh yeah, coin spill. Shake, shake, shake. All right, 2 quarters. Have a quarter signal. And would you look at that? There it is. Into the pouch. We have a 69 penny signal. Right here. Shake, shake, shake. All right. 1 penny into the pouch. We have a 24 nickel signal. Let's get it. Four or 5 inches. In there. I think I just broke a piece. Oh, I see. Definitely got to get that off the beach. hate for somebody to step on that. There we go. Whew. Couldn't leave it half sticking out. It'd be worse than leaving it buried. Oh yeah, sharp, jagged. Get that to a trash can. Welcome to the wrap up. As you can see, we had another great day at the beach. We found glasses, 2 nails, 1 tent peg, can slaw, foil, 2 pull tabs, a bottle muzzle, a lighter, a vape, a partially sealed bottle of blueberry vodka. It leaked and made my pouch smell like blueberries. We found 5 quarters, 1 nickel, and 3 pennies. If you liked what you saw, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, my friends.